Enhance your space management employees' user experience when auditing your workspaces with IBM TRIRIGA's Space Assessment app. Using the Space Assessment app, your space assessors can easily audit and capture data for each workspace's occupancy and assets through a mobile device. This video will demonstrate the process of a space manager assigning workspaces for the Space Assessor to audit and the Space Assessor to walk around the office to complete the occupancy and assets assessment. As a space manager, once I have logged into the Space Management app, I see my dashboard of space assessments that are in progress, pending review, and completed. To begin a new space assessment to assign, click New Assessment. Select the building, floor, include a description or title for the assessment, add a due date, and assign the assessment. Check off Auto Approve if it is not required to review the assessment once the Space Assessor has completed the audit. By default, all workspaces will be selected. If I want to select specific spaces to be audited, click Deselect All and click on the dotted rectangle icon to click and drag to select the spaces. I can view the selected spaces in a floor plan view or a list view. Click Create to send the space assessment to my assigned Space Assessor. As a Space Assessor, once I have logged into the Space Assessment app, I see my dashboard of assigned space assessments to complete. Once I am present at the workplace, I will click on the assessment to begin the audit. Using the app, I can select the specific space I am auditing and verify the people and assets that are assigned to this space, as well as identify the space's occupancy organization and chargeback organization. If the current employee who is occupying the space is not the employee listed on the app, I can easily remove the name the space is assigned to and update it with the correct employee. If an asset is required to be added to the workspace, click on the plus sign, and in the search bar, type in the asset I want to add. Select the asset and click Done. If necessary, additional comments can also be made on the app. Click Verify. I will repeat these steps to assess all spaces. In the floor plan view, changes that are made to the workspaces will now be highlighted in red, and verified spaces will be highlighted in green. In the list view, changes that are made to the workspace will now be marked with the red indicator with the warning sign, and verified spaces will be marked with the green indicator with the checkmark icon. To help identify my completion progress, there is also a tracker on the top right-hand corner of the app. Once I have completed the assessment, click Complete, and all changes and verification data and comments will be captured on the app, and a notification will now be automatically sent to the Space Manager to review the changes. If the Auto Approve was selected when the assessment was created, all changes will be processed in the system at this time. As a Space Manager, I will now receive a notification that there is a space assessment that is pending review. Click on the assessment to be reviewed. The page will include all space, people, and/or asset changes that were made on the assessment. Click Exclude to remove any changes that is not approved. Once I have reviewed all changes, click Apply to approve the assessment, and all changes will be updated to the system. Using the IBM TRIRIGA's Space Assessment app streamlines the space assessment process, allowing for an easier and quicker way for space managers and assessors to view, update, and share data all within one app.